Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add a video inside text in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to create text video. So you can add text to your video like this, and I'm going to type in, for example, text video. Okay, then you can change the font if you want. I'm gonna go with this font, and I'm going to increase the size of the text like this, and you can customize the duration according to your video duration, and then we're going to export this text video. Okay, click on export, and I'm going to export it. All right, and then I'm going to delete this text like this, and then I'm going to go to import and import the text video we have just saved. Okay, I'm going to add this text video to the timeline, and you can add your video. Okay, then I'm going to cut it guys. Okay, like this, and then to add this video inside the text, we're going to use the blend mode. Go to the blend and then select the blend mode. I'm gonna go with darken. Okay, and this is the final result guys. As you can see that the video has been added inside this text. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a video inside text in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.